Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a week or so ago, Google rolled out Chrome version 130, which is the latest release. And one of the new features that rolled out with version 130 was the organized tabs using AR, which was a new feature where you could automatically put your tabs into different groups using the AR feature. And just to let you know that it seems that the feature has been removed in Google Chrome since version 130 rolled out. I noticed today when I went to my search tabs, organized tabs with AR, the feature has been removed, and that's across the board on both my devices and also in the preview versions of the browser, which the early preview versions, which is Chrome Canary, as you may well know. Now, I'll leave version 130's video linked down below and in the end screen, and I'll also leave a video where we did a hands-on a couple of months ago using Google Chrome's upcoming organized tabs with AR, which when I posted that feature obviously was still in preview. I'll leave that link down below in the end screen if you'd like more info. But just to let you know that if we just quickly head over to one or two screenshots, just to give you a general idea of what the feature is all about. So if I open up this first screenshot, this is the feature I'm talking about. Organized tabs using AR. You may recognize that we spoke about this quite in depth on the channel. And if I head to the next one, there we go. That's just basically a example I did in that video, which as mentioned will be down below and in the end screen, of what your tabs will look like once they're organized, where you can create a group, and that's using AR. So it's very hard to say at this stage what Google's plan with this is, because if we head over to the preview version, Chrome Canary, which is currently sitting on version 132, also been removed. And if I even head into the settings and we head to the new AR innovations that I've posted on, they've also removed it out of here. So at this stage, I don't know what Google's plans are with this feature. And they could have been A/B testing it in preview. They may have just pulled it because there could have been bugs. Then maybe they need to work on one or two things. But just putting it out there that if you are not seeing it in Google Chrome since upgrading to version 130, you're not alone. It seems to be have been pulled by Google. And obviously, if that does return for whatever reason, I'll let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.